cold startup on a S1X cam. I'm going to reroute everything since I just did the cam swap. Kind of toss it back together quickly and such. Because I know people are going to ask, this is stock exhaust. I'm having problems with the gears. We ended up using a non-HD diff, which wasn't planned according to the tune. So I'm not getting torque converter lockup and a couple other little things. So I'm not even driving the car. Hopefully getting that straightened out this weekend.